To make this multi-layered Japanese rolled omelette, you're going to need these ingredients. You can do this in a rounded pan, and if you don't have really big balls, I suggest you use a spatula instead of chopsticks. So throw the eggs into the mixing bowl. Throw in the salt and pepper. And the sugar. And I also chose to go with a dash of mirin as well for extra sweetness and acidity. Now make sure to combine everything well in the bowl. After everything is well combined, set it aside and prepare your pan. Throw the oil into the cold pan. Try to swoosh it around a little bit. Realize that it's not going to work with a cold pan. Get a paper towel with the chopsticks and evenly coat the oil. Turn on the heat. To check if the pan is ready, dip the chopsticks in the egg mixture and do this. If it's sizzling, you're ready to go. Now throw in your first layer of your egg mixture. It should be relatively thin. Right before the egg mixture has set, it's time to start rolling. So, with your coffee shaky hands and poor chopstick skills, try to roll it up as beautiful as you can, probably more beautifully than I did. Once you've rolled it up all the way, keep it there for a little bit and then transfer it to the front of the pan again. And get ready to oil up. And add another layer. Be sure to lift up the already rolled part of your eggs, so it coats the bottom of it and makes it much easier to roll. Hey, first roll went well. Oh god, I wish I had a spatula. This is extremely difficult. There we go. Yeah. Yay. Right, once it's set, transfer it to the front of the pan again and get ready to oil up. And throw in the rest of your egg mixture. While doing this, keep the flame on a high heat, but remember to lift the pan up when you need to reduce the heat so it doesn't burn. Now here I definitely should have waited until it set a bit more before I started rolling, but I got excited. Once you've rolled it to the end of your pan, leave it there for a little bit. Now try to flip it and fail miserably. There we go. Just let it relax there for a second. And there is your piping fresh Tamagoyaki. So you should probably let the Tamagoyaki rest a bit longer than I did before you start cutting into it. Mostly because you don't want to burn your fingers off. And also because you don't want it to rip apart like it did there. If I just waited one more minute, it should have kept its integrity. So there it is, Japanese rolled omelette with multiple layers. Now this isn't very pretty, but it was really delicious and not bad for a first time.